Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to form an Olympiad mathematics question. At the same time, find its solution. So let's get started. I would like to start with something very simple. Let x be equal to 7 and y be equal to 5, something like this. So I'm going to form different combinations of x and y. Let's start with something very simple. X squared plus y squared. Then I can have x squared minus y squared. Then we could have x minus y. We could have x plus y, something like this. You can even have xy. All right. So this will be equal to what? X squared plus y squared, meaning what? 7 squared plus 5 squared. 7 squared is 49. 5 squared is 25. If you add 49 and 25, you have 74. Then x squared minus y squared. 7 squared is 49. 49 minus 25 is 24. Then x minus y. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 times 5 is 35. So these are some of the details we need. Therefore, I will pretend I know this. All right. So if you want to ask a question in Olympiad, you may decide to delete this. I can delete this one. So I can say if this x squared minus y squared equal to 24, x minus y equal to 2, x plus y equal to 12. So I may decide to remove this one. I can remove this one. I can say that if x squared minus y squared equal to 24, x minus y equal to 2, x times y equal to 35. So what is this? So to write this question, I can say that if x squared minus y squared equals 24, x multiplied by y equal to 35, x minus y equal to 2, right? Then what is x plus y? Question mark. So this is how to form an Olympiad mathematics question. And remember, to solve this in Olympiad standard, you don't need to solve for x and y. Rather, just apply whatever you can. It's just a logic. So since we are looking for this one in this tutorial, let me start with that. So it will be x plus y. I may decide to square this because I know I am going to obtain x squared plus y squared. So first term squared, second term squared, then plus 2 times x times y. This is the expansion of x plus y. Since we are looking for x plus y, we can take square root of both sides. So this is x squared plus y squared plus 2 times x times y. Don't forget plus or minus. All right. We have xy, right? Here, which is 35. So let's plug it here. Plus or minus square root of x squared plus y squared. I know x squared plus y squared is 74 because remember I obtained that one as well. 7 squared plus 5 squared is 74. But since we assume we don't know the values of x and y, we have to look for x squared plus y squared. So this is 2 multiplied by 35. This is plus or minus square root of x squared plus y squared plus 70, right? So all we need to find is x squared plus y squared. And to do that, I'm going to take x minus y, since it is given to us, as 2, right? So if you square this, it will be x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. This is the expansion. But we have seen that x minus y is equal to 2, so we have 2 squared here equal to, already this is what we are looking for, x squared plus y squared minus, this is 70 because this is 2 times 35, so we have 70 here. If you take this negative 70 to the left, it becomes positive. So this is 4 plus 70, right? 4 plus 70 equal to x squared plus y squared. Can you see that? X squared plus y squared is equal to 74. and we have obtained this one initially. All right, so all you have to do is to plug in this 74 back here to find the values of x plus y. Remember, we don't need to find x and y. Therefore, x plus y is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared, which is 74. And already we have 70 there. So you add them together. And 74 plus 70 is 144. Remember, we have plus or minus here. So this is plus or minus square root of 144. Square root of 144 is 12. So this is equal to plus or minus 12. So x plus y is plus or minus 12. But I know some of you may ask, we're supposed to get 12 instead, because remember we started with x equal to 7 and y equal to 5. So x plus y will definitely be equal to 12, not plus or minus 12. But why? If you solve these two equations simultaneously, maybe these and this together, you have to get x equal to plus or minus 7 and y equal to plus or minus 5. This is why we got that plus or minus 12 here. If you want to confirm, you can say that what if x is negative 7 and y is negative 5? If you multiply them together, you have to get 35. So this is where we are able to obtain plus or minus 12. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. And you may try to solve for x and y, solving these two equations simultaneously. Then you find x plus y. Bye.